It's a good idea to adjust your audio and video settings before you join a Google Meet. To get to your settings, you first have to be on the Start page to enter your Meet. Once you are here, you have the options to turn your camera on and off, and also to turn your microphone on and off. It's always a good idea to join a meeting with your microphone off. To adjust your settings, you click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then you choose Settings. Your settings are broken down into audio and video. You have the ability to change the microphone that you're using. You can turn on noise cancellation, and you can adjust the speakers that you're using. Any microphone that you have connected to your computer will appear in this list. Choose the one that you would like to use, but keep in mind that you want to use the same device for your microphone and your speakers. This means if you're using a built-in microphone on your laptop, you also want to use your laptop speakers. It might mean that you're using a conference speakerphone that serves as the microphone and the speaker. Alternatively, you might be using a webcam that has a built-in microphone, and it also may have speakers. If so, it's best to use that for your speakers as well. Once you've set your microphone, you can then adjust the speakers that you would like to use. You can test the volume of the speakers by clicking Test. This will play a telephone ringing sound just so you can see the volume of your speakers. Once your audio settings have been adjusted, you can now adjust your video settings. Here under Camera, you choose which camera you would like to use. You might have a built-in camera on your laptop, you might be using a webcam, or maybe you're using some other device like Snap Camera or XSplit Vcam that you want to use as your camera. Change those settings here, and know that you can change your camera throughout your Google Meet session. The camera that you start the Google Meet with is not what you have to stay with throughout the whole session. You can then adjust the send and receive resolution. Your district may have a 360p set as default for both send and receive, but you can choose what you would like. If you want a better video quality, you'll want to change it to 720p, but also know that if you have a slow internet connection, you may want to adjust that back to 360. Use what works for you, your internet connection, and your students. Once you have your settings adjusted, you don't need to click Save. You can just click the red X in the upper right corner. Now we can go ahead and join our Meet. While you're in your Meet, you can always go back to those settings. To get there, you click the three dots in the bottom right corner and then choose Settings. You'll see that the settings are the exact same. So throughout the Meet, we can change our microphone and speakers, and we can also change the camera that we're using for our meeting. Again, you don't have to click Save. You can just close out of your settings when you're happy with the settings that you've chosen.